everybody, welcome to the first episode of What to Print Next. I'm Nick from 3DPG, and today I will show you 3 things which might be interesting for you. Without wasting any time, let's start with the first one. This nice Voodoo lady was created by Arte creator. Download links can be found in the video description below. It's being printed in multiple parts. The base part is the biggest part and gives this model a stable stand. It prints in around 14 hours, and the body is also easy to print without any support. The good thing is you can choose different colors for the base and the body and save some paint time. For the same purpose you can either print the smaller parts all together or split it into multiple prints. Print time will be of course different in this case. Overall, it's a very easy thing to print. There is no need for any special slider settings. Pick any color of your choice and the result speaks for itself. Beautiful model. Next one is a small and fast print. Some of you might recognize it as a Simon's Hungry Cat. Stwebster created and published it on Thingiverse. As you can see, it needs some support, especially for the paw. I used auto-generated one with 20-degree overhang in Prusa Slicer. It generates a perfect amount of support. This is a very nice small print, which can be also painted. I messed up a little bit with the paint job, but it still looks okay and gives me a smile every time I look at this model. The last item is for everybody with 3DS or 2DS. It's a simple stand for cases or plain cartridges. The base is nice and heavy. It's a big part, so it will take some time to print. But it's straightforward. The front part is a placeholder for any text you would like to see there. No surprises in the slice of the print. The specific part is for US versions only, so please make sure you have the right box sizes before printing it. Inlays for the cartridges are separate parts which can be used based on what you need. This one is for 3 cartridges. But if you want, you can have it double, so you can put 6 games in one slot. The second version is with support helpers outside. Once printed, you can remove them easily. Very convenient. I'm extending my DS game collection and I've printed already a couple of them. Especially an option for the plain cartridges is very good. You can still see the games without opening any box. The holder is compact and can be placed on a shelf or any other open or closed displays. Thanks for watching. I hope it was at least interesting and maybe you get some ideas what to print next. Join us on Instagram. You will find all links in this video description below. See you next time!